So hi, I'm Dave Wilson. I'm the founder of Tiger Eye, who provide services to the legal community around iManage and develop our own knowledge management solution called Tiger Eye Blueprint. So this is our third event since we're coming out of lockdown. The first one was quieter. This one is now probably the most busy that we've seen. And also the people that are coming to these events now, I think, want to be here because you kind of need to want to come out, you know, if you're concerned about what's going on with COVID. So it's very good. I mean, I've attended some of the sessions today. They seem to be getting more and more interactive with the attendees that are here. I certainly, I enjoy these because you do, as a vendor, get invited in to participate in all those sessions as well. So I find it quite useful.
Hi, my name's Ollie Stanley. I'm CEO of QDocs, which is a legal tech vendor in the company secretarial and corporate transactional space. It's been excellent. It's great to be back at in-person events. I'm sure everyone's saying that. Great lineup of speakers, interesting group of attendees, and a lovely venue. I think there's nothing like in-person events. You get to meet people, look them in the eye, have a proper chat, and the content of the speakers and the panels is also great. It's just better.
Well, I'm Tom Dunlop. I'm the founder and CEO of Surmise, and Surmise is a software as a service product that helps make contracts creation, review and management easier for legal teams. The conference has been great. I mean, I think the in-person kind of events allow you to actually speak to people a bit more candidly, I think, and get to the real kind of, I guess, issues they have, the real use cases, and allows you to build a relationship, which is obviously massively important for us as a vendor, and I think for the client as well. It can feel a little bit impersonal over kind of virtual meetings. So yeah, it's been great. Definitely. I think there's certainly for Legal Innovators, it feels like it's a good collection of people with different perspectives. It feels like it's people with, I guess, at the forefront of technology as well and the movement in legal tech. And it's kind of a good meeting of minds. So the content's great. It's the right people at the right stage of, I guess, the buying journey as well. And it's just a good group of people to bounce ideas off. So I think, and in-person events generally, again, it's about relationship building. If there's anything we've learned is the best customers we have, and also the best way we can articulate our products is through in-person events and building that kind of direct relationship.
Hi, I'm Ian Gosling. I'm one of the founders of AUTTO. We're a no-code automation platform for legal and business operations. So Legal Innovators has become a bit of an annual event for us, apart from the last year. And so we keep coming back every year because of the quality of the panels and the quality of the conversations we have here. Really, for us, Legal Innovators is a way to get real insights into the business and to meet people who are interested in really getting on with innovation in the legal industry. Well, it's first of all, it's great to be back in real life with people. So and to see many of our friends and contacts in the legal innovation sector. I think the panel was very high quality, and we got into some real debate about some issues, and I think that's important for us to have as an industry, to have some differing points of view. And the quality of that panel was extremely high. Everybody on that panel is doing this stuff in real life. As I say, we'll be coming back here next year as we carry on to continue building our profile.
So my name's Mark Rhodes. I'm the Managing Director for ContractWorks in the UK. We're a contract management solution, and we're exhibiting at Legal Innovators 2.0 in London. Yeah, it's great to see lots of people. We love being back in person again. So we've done a few events. There's a great agenda. I've sat in on a few of the sessions, heard some interesting insights from in-house lawyers today. It's been great. Yeah, it's always good to hear from both our peers who work for other brands that operate in our space, but also to hear from our target customers, which in this case is in-house lawyers, and it's great to hear insights firsthand. So we've heard a lot of that today.
I'm Matthias. I'm the CEO of Scissero and founder as well. I was a lawyer in my previous life, and I have another legal tech company, Wall Street Docs. which I've grown to 90 people, and Scissero is the next project. So hopefully we'll be able to replicate that. It's great. Look, it's after the pandemic, the first event where I really see a lot of people coming, and after having had these virtual meetings with people, it's great to connect in person. It also, I think, it shows once again how much need there is in industry for people to really understand what legal tech is about, and this is a great forum for exchange in a way that you can't do it on a Zoom call, really. Very interesting, and I think what I think the most striking thing for me has been a couple of years ago when these conferences started, nobody had any idea of what they were doing. Everyone was looking at AI and legal tech, and now people are asking the right questions, and therefore the discussions and the exchanges, both on panel and with the audience, are a lot more, productive.